Ma, what you said? Bye. Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I'm back with another video. So y'all, it's Sunday. The time went back. I actually need to change it. It's 9:55, but I need to change the time because it says 10:55. But that extra hour of sleep felt good. Today I'm gonna be making Sunday dinner. My mama is actually gonna come over because she swear there's no secret ingredient to her collard greens, but I feel like it is. So we gonna cook together. So, and ironically, it's so funny that when I was pregnant, I had said that I'll imagine me, my mom, and my daughter cooking, but for my YouTube channel. But today it's just gonna be me and my mom. My daughter's not feeling well, but yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. So we got on the menu some fried chicken, some rice, mac and cheese, collard greens. So let's get right into it, okay? All right, so we're gonna save this for last, but I had seasoned the chicken last night, and y'all, it smells so good. Save that for last. So I'm just gonna start on the mac and the rice. That ain't gonna take me long. All right, y'all. So I'm starting on the mac and cheese. I got some smoked Gouda cheese here. Let me unravel it, but I'm shredding it on this plate right here. And then I just came back from the store because I forgot some pans. I don't like to cook mac and cheese into like a real pan. I just like to use a foil pan to make my life easier. But yeah, let me I'm gonna finish this and I'll show y'all when I come back. I swear I need an electric grater because I already cut my hand on this so many times. Alright y'all, for the mac and cheese I got some butter in there, and then I'm gonna add some heavy cream. Alright, I'm gonna add cheese, the Gouda cheese. I'm only gonna use about a quarter of it because I want the rest to go on top. I'm gonna add these chunks in there because I told y'all I'm scared to cut my finger, so I'm just gonna put those in there. Some Kobe jack cheese, Italian cheese. Now keep your pot on low so that the cheese doesn't burn, okay? Alright y'all, so the cheese is melting. I'm gonna add some smoked paprika, a little garlic powder, and then the salt and pepper I'll do to taste when I add the noodles because I don't want to make sure it's not salty. Y'all have got to forgive me with recording because I be forgetting. I'm still new to this vlog. So I added the cheese sauce and then I added some sour cream. So I'm just mixing it all in together. The sour cream will make it help to be creamy. Y'all hear that sound? Hey y'all, my mama is here. Being grandma. So she did the greens already. I'm frying the chicken, the mac and cheese. Oh yeah, it's time for that to come out. So the meat is still boiling for the collard greens. So my mom is cutting the collard greens. Mommy, say hi.
Hello, hi.
Malia is watching her stuff. So I'm almost done. So mommy, what is the secret ingredient to the coloring?
There's no secret ingredient to the coloring, folks. I'm gonna tell you.
She lying.
Complete seasoning and salt. That's all it is.
And vinegar.
And the vinegar, a little taste of vinegar if you like a little vinegar or your cream. There's no secret.
I think she lying, y'all. She hiding something.
I tell my kids, I tell other people. There's no secret ingredient. Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, you too.
Y'all, I appreciate my mama coming over here helping me cook, because she's also helping me she's also helped me clean the kitchen. So the kitchen is clean now. If I was cooking by myself, I would have to clean by myself. So she did the dishes, and I'm wiping down the counters, and now I'm about to sweep and stuff. And then the collard greens almost done. So by that time that's done and I finish cleaning, it's gonna be time to eat. Mom, what you said? Bye. I don't know where she get this fry from. Alright, y'all, so we got some fried chicken. I put some honey and hot sauce on mine. Some mac and cheese, some seafood rice, and some collard greens. Okay.
Nice.
Dude, down today. So I cooked everything, and then my mama just made the collard greens. So apparently there is no secret ingredient, but about to enjoy this food right here, y'all. All right, y'all, I just took a bite of this food. Y'all, this is so good. I'm gonna close this video out here. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Smash that like button. Comment down below what is your favorite Sunday meal. But I'm gonna head out, enjoy this food, and I will see y'all next time.